My name is Janelle Hoops, and this presentation is intended for general education teachers. We're looking at the primacy and recency effect. David Sousa said that in a learning episode, we tend to remember best that which comes first and remember second best that which comes last. We call those episodes the beginning and the end of a lesson prime time because retention is highest. In between that, in the middle of the lesson, is downtime. The longer the lesson, the longer the downtime. So we can use this to help us in our teaching. Some teaching tips are to try to teach in 20-minute segments. So if you have a long class period, you can break it into smaller chunks to increase the retention. As you can see at the charts at the bottom, in an 80-minute learning episode, there's almost 30 minutes of downtime. Whereas in a 20-minute episode on the far right, there's only a few minutes of downtime. So if you can break that time into 20-minute segments, you'll get much higher retention and engagement from the students. It's also recommended to teach new information first, while retention's at the highest. Do not have students guess during that prime time because they may remember the wrong information if they guess something incorrectly. Avoid administrative tasks during that prime time so as not to waste it. And then during the downtime, use that for practice or review where the students are engaged and actively doing something with the new content they've already been presented with. Then at the end of the class period or the end of the learning episode, provide some closure to have students make sense of their learning so that they retain it better.